Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for spending time with me. Welcome to my kitchen. Friday night cocktails. Beautiful day outside. I'm gonna make a cocktail with vodka. 1 part vodka, 2 parts whatever you're gonna mix it with. Be tonic water, 1 part vodka, 2 parts tonic water. I'm gonna do tonic, pineapple juice, fresh pineapple. Let's go. So, 1 part vodka. Well, this case I'm making 2 drinks, so 1 and 2. Do it. Since we're not getting paid for this, we're gonna hide the label. It's a good vodka. Don't worry about what brand it is. Tonic. Two. Pineapple juice. Boink. Get that going. 1. 2. That's it. I feel like you can use whatever drink you want to. Get a nice shake. Spill some on the counter. That is okay. Get some pineapple here. Drink. Drink. Get that in there. Get that in there. I love fruit. What the hell? Go for it. I don't know how to make it fruity. Good. Made a mess. All good. Let's see what we did. Well, I'm using a highball glass over ice. Make sure everybody gets good amount. It's Friday. We are going to enjoy this. All right. Got me some not so fancy straws. Let's see how we did. Yeah, I'm gonna drink this. Just cook. Cocktail night. Subscribe to my channel. Follow me. Critique. Let me know what you think. Let's talk about it. Next time we're gonna cook. Right now it's Friday. Cocktail time. Ooh. Let's go.